Welcome to day 3 of Task of the Day series. Today we are going to start on the first section of your SLR paper, and that is introduction. So I told you in task 2 that you had to identify or select 5 systematic literature review papers. So today what we are going to do is I want you to review those 5 SLR papers, just the introduction section of that paper, and assess or analyze how they have structured their introduction section. So they may have some subsections within the introduction section. So find out what those subsections are and try to make a structure for the introduction section of your SLR paper. Okay, so is the task clear? Basically, I want you to make a structure for your introduction section. Yeah. And how do you do that? You do it by looking at the 5 SLR papers that I asked you to select in the previous task and see their subsections and create your structure. The reason why I ask you to choose these 5 SLRs is that becomes the kind of a standard that you have to achieve. If you are planning to publish your paper in that journal, then the editors and the reviewers would be expecting that you have similar structure or similar sections and subsections within the SLR. So that is a kind of a trick that you can do to ensure that your paper gets up to the standard of the journal where you want to publish. All right, so this is your task for today. I don't think it will take a lot of time reviewing just the headings and subheadings of the introduction section. So less than an hour or maybe even less than that. So all the best, and check out my answer later tonight. Thank you.